Ang gagaling.
Let's go.
Ako pinakahuli.
Aralit.
Ako nang pinakahuli.
Tol, sunod mo na mo, Tol. Sige, Tol.
Arat.
Okay, proceed.
Okay, let's go.
Engage 4-wheel drive.
Roger. Bye, go. Adong. Second to the last, Serena ng last. Okay, Uncle. Si Gonsi na lang sa likod ko para ma-advisean ko kagad.
Sunod ka sa pula. Sunod ka sa pula.
Okay, let's go.
Yala.
Call.
Galarga, Col.
Tara, Col. Tingnan mo yung drive ko, Col. Sa likod mo.
Kita kay sa camera, Col, oh.
Tara, Col. Tingnan mo ko lang ang mabuti.
Yawang guloy.
Patik na rin, Col. Kumit lang. Kumit. Tasi ko.
Yawang guloy.
Huwag hindi mo kul. Tatawa ko kay. Yung kamera di atin mo na.
Kita kay sa camera, Col, oh. Balagbagan, guys, oh.
Matik, Col, matik.
Roger. Birahe, Col.
Coming.
Anak, Col. Ako sa likod ni mo, Col.
Ako. This is it. Okay, guys, we're gonna hit the side grid, but if it doesn't work, just go down and retake. We're gonna hit the side grid, but be sure your power where you're gonna use. I think we try to go by bottom, not in the top position. So, Aaron just distance a little bit, then we will name that Chris. Copy, copy.
Raja.
To the right. Go, swing to the right. And go up. 20 shoot, 20 shoot.
Retake, retake.
Second.
Tang reverse, just straight, straight. Slow down.
Try to maneuver fast, left, right. You hit the crease again. Go ahead. Good. Okay, hit more right, huh?
Full power, full power, full power. Left, right. Kaya yan, Gons. Malakas yan sa kaya mo. Left, right. Sige. Huwag mo bitawan. Left, right. Go. Very good.
Okay, next. Go forward, Aaron. Go forward. More. Just wait there. Okay, go.
All right. Left, right. Don't release the power. Left, right. Don't release. Left, right. Yeah. More. Left, right. Hold short.
Go, very good.
Go. Nice one, Tang. Birakol. Si Uncle, guys, oh. Left, right, call.
No problem. Okay.
Rolling.
All complete. Okay, we will wait a piece.
Yawan mo ko loy.
Something wrong with the knot of the
Effortless
pop-up
man.
here. I need to change it.
Wala.
Roger, okay, holding.